in the market for a new lift? Well, then consider the ALI certified Atlas Platinum PVL10. This 2-column above-ground lift is one of Atlas's most popular, offering a 10,000-pound capacity with several unique features and available at an affordable price. The PVL10 features a unique double S column design for improved column strength, and the lift can be installed symmetrically or asymmetrically. It also features 3-stage telescoping front arms and 2-stage telescoping rear arms, as well as a single-point lock release. And it's backed by a 5-year structural warranty. The PVL10 is powered by Atlas's premium Ally hydraulic power unit. This unit is certified by MET Labs for electrical compliance in both the United States and Canada. Using extra heavy-duty armatures and more motor windings with increased silver metal included in the wires and connections allows for far less heat generation and allows the Ally hydraulic power unit to maintain constant torque throughout the lifting process. And it's backed by an industry-leading 2-year warranty. And most importantly, the Atlas Platinum PVL10 is certified by the Automotive Lift Institute. And what does that mean for you? Well, ALI, or the Automotive Lift Institute, governs the safety standards for lifts in the United States. And that ALI Gold certification label is your assurance that you're investing in a quality product. Every lift certified by the ALI has to meet the same testing, material, and operational standards. These standards cover structural integrity, proper operation control, and even overloading the lift beyond its rated capacity. And the lift either passes or it doesn't. No gray areas here. To learn more about the Atlas Platinum PVL10 or any of the fine Atlas products, visit www.atlasautoequipment.com.